Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change your chart's background color on TradingView. Changing the chart's background color in TradingView can help you customize your chart view to suit your preference. In order to do that, first of all, open the TradingView application from your app drawer and log into your account like you normally do. After you're inside the main homepage for TradingView, go ahead and tap on the chart option at the bottom. Within the chart menu, tap on the little three dots at the bottom right hand corner right next to the little pencil icon. In the expanded menu, click on Chart Settings. Within the chart settings page, you will be able to see this interface where you'll need to tap on Canvas. Inside Canvas, go to Background and tap on the drop down. You can choose between gradient background to solid background. Now you will be able to see two color palettes if you've chosen gradient right next to background. Tap on one of the palettes and choose the colors for your background. Now that you've done it, you can tap on OK at the bottom right corner. And that is how you will be able to change your color for your chart's background on TradingView. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.